guys, my name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. Today we have a very exciting video for you guys today, and it actually kind of ties in with probably going to be my last video where I was talking about the spring Apple event and how cool it was and my thoughts on it and all that good stuff. And so today we actually have a very exciting unboxing on these products right here. So these fell over, that was the case. But this is the sort of new iPad Air. It came out about 6 months ago, and recently just got it. This is my dad's, it's not mine, so don't come in the comments at me, okay? But this thing is super cool, and I think I want to see what the blue looks like. Some people have said that the blue isn't that good. Some people have said it's what they expected. So let's see what the blue actually looks like. I want to see what this thing is. This is the 64GB iPad Air 4th generation with Wi-Fi. So yeah, it's everything you need. It's a great little iPad and I can't wait to check it out. We also got the smart keyboard folio. This is just the standard one. One day I would like to get the one with the trackpad. I think it would be kind of cool. And then we of course have 2nd generation Apple Pencil. So I've always actually wanted to get my hands on one of these iPad Airs. I think they look super dope, and yeah, let's jump right into the unboxing. Let's go. Okay, so we are in overhead mode, so let's just get started. I'm gonna hold this up so you guys can hear it. So oh, so satisfying. Wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be, but still, always great. Okay. Pull plastic out of the way. Boom, here it is. Can't wait to smell this. I always love the new smell of Apple products. Even like my MacBook that I unboxed about 2 months ago now. I always love that. Sometimes the smell's gone away, which is kind of sad, but sometimes if I don't use it for like a little while, then sometimes like for like a day almost, which I've never really done that, but then it will like, I open it up and like the smell will come back and it'll be so nice. Okay, let's open this guy up and we'll kind of talk about it a little bit more. Boom, opened. Oh yeah, I love the square design of these Apple products, so nice. It has that smell. It'd be cool if somebody had a camera that you could smell also, so like a microphone, you can hear audio. Need something to smell. This is that blue color. This is nice. Now actually, I actually can't really remember what size this is, but this is really nice. Look at that. There's me, you can see. And also the nice thing is, something you guys might not know is right here, if my camera will focus. Okay, so this home button right here, it's a little bit bigger. You might be wondering why. This is actually a fingerprint sensor right here. So you can just go boop, and then it'll actually unlock. As you can see here, there's no really dots on the top of here, like the iPad Pros, because it uses Touch ID. Super nice. I actually like this little design. Nice. So there it is. We got Apple stickers. Always nice to see. It actually comes, I've never actually seen this for a long time, a box that actually comes with a brick, which is kind of nice. Because if you know, the iPhone 12 doesn't come with one, so it's nice to actually see this have that. So, brick. Now we don't have to buy an extra for this. Okay, that's it for that. Let's put this to the side. We're going to get into the accessories before we get into the rest. So I guess let's just go for the folio. I don't know what this feels like. I have a 2018 iPad Pro, and I'm actually going to talk about that later, about what I think. So I have this case. It's a nice case. So open this up. Nice. Unwrap this. Oh, that just got like a whole smell. Holy, that was a big smell. Okay. No, it does not. Okay, no Apple stickers for the Apple keyboard, which is kind of expected. I mean, really, I think do they even give it out for the AirPods? I don't know. Okay, put that over there and there. There's your keyboard. Great. Actually, this is, I think, this is 11 inches, and I actually didn't really notice. I actually prefer the smallness of it. Look at that. So this could fit the 12 point, here, this could fit the 12.9, or the 11-inch new iPad Pro that has the double camera and all that. But, oh, this is nice. Typing away fresh. I already have a crumb on there. Okay, this is nice. Fingerprints are already getting on. I like this smaller design. I have a 12.9 inch and this is 11 inch. And I actually was like, oh, people were like, oh, the 12.9 inches are so big. I actually like this a bit better. It's just a little more, it just doesn't feel like my laptop. It feels a little bit more portable, so I can be like, it actually feels more like an iPad and feels nicer on my lap. So if I ever did upgrade one day, I'd probably go for an 11 inch actually. Since I have a monitor I can put it on up here and all that. Okay, let's get into the Apple Pencil. I'm not gonna bore you guys with too much of this. Designed by Apple in California. And put this to the side. Apple Pencil. Unwrap. Boom. Put this over to the side. Grab our iPad. And first, click. Boom. Full setup. Got the Apple Pencil, iPad, and folio case, and boom. I actually want to see what the Pacific Blue, we didn't really examine that. It's definitely blue. On camera, for some people, it looked a little less blue. It looks more blue to me on here, but it's still, it's also maybe because over here I also have a teal lamp that is pointing over here. Okay, the lamp's turned off. Actually, now that the lamp's turned off, I mean, if someone asked me, they said, is this a gray or is this blue? I'd probably say, if I didn't know anything about it, I'd probably say gray. I honestly can't tell this is blue at all. My lamp's off, like, and it doesn't look bad, but just, I would like a darker blue for sure. I mean, something like the new iMacs would be cool. Okay, put that back in there. This iPad, I really like it. It's just so small. Okay, so here's my iPad. As you can see, it has a little bit of grease and stuff on it. So if we open it up, see, compared, like, look at how much significantly, here, look at how much bigger that is. That is a significant amount bigger, and I like it. Like, now looking at this thing seems huge. Like, look at the, I mean, this is obviously more dirty and everything. I mean, this is 3 years old. We got it when it came out, but like, I like the bigness, but when I carry it, like, even to fold it, it's just like, it just seems more like a laptop. Like, see, when it goes up, like I was saying, it goes like past my elbow. And it's just, comparing them, this is darker, obviously, it's nicer. It's just, this is so much lighter. Obviously, it's the iPad Air, which is nice. But, like, look at that comparison. Like, that, just like when you're carrying every day, if you already have a laptop, yeah, like, it's just, here's the Apple Pencils. They obviously look the same. But yeah, just like, I generally like this smaller. It's so, let's just see. Because, like, this is, like, almost a little, like, just, like, but this is significantly lighter. Like, this is, like, heavy. Like, it's heavy. But yeah, like, look at that. I'd probably, if I'm going for another one, since I already have my MacBook, and I'm just going to be watching shows, or watching some YouTube, and maybe doing some drawings, you know, color, like, you know, really, I like to sketch different little things, and I like to map out mind maps and all that, and so I like this, but just, this would be so much more ideal. So, yeah, I think that's it for today's unboxing and comparison, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. The funny thing is this iPad Air, Now they came out with the new M1s, but if the M1s didn't come out, the iPad Air, which was significantly cheaper than the iPad Pro, they had the same amount of power basically. The only difference was that the iPad Pro had a tiny bit better screen and it had an extra camera, which I don't really care about the camera in the back. I probably wouldn't even notice if the camera wasn't there. Sometimes scan documents and stuff, but other than that, not really that big a deal. So it's a good that they came out with an M1 iPad. That's really good because it differentiates this between this for different markets. But personally for me, since I already have a MacBook, I'm gonna probably go with this next time I upgrade. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.